And on top of that, this scripture right here proves that the Most High is only dealing with Israel as well. This Jeremiah 23, verse 7. Therefore, behold, the days come, saith the Lord Yahweh, that they shall no more say, the Lord Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushua liveth, that brought them out of the land, that brought up the children of Israel out of the land of Egypt. Let's look at the next verse. But the Lord liveth, which brought, verse 28. But the Lord Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushua liveth, which brought up which led the seed of the house of Israel, all countries where I have driven them, and they shall dwell in their own land. Okay, in our own land. All right, so there it is. The Most High is gonna bless us again, man. Okay, the Most High is gonna bless us. He's gonna bless his people, Israel, starting with the elect, of course, but eventually all Israel. That's the general idea of the Most High. This Isaiah chapter 14, verse 1. For the Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushua will have mercy on Jacob, and will yet choose Israel, and set them in their own land, and the strangers shall be joined with them, and they shall cleave to the house of Jacob. Verse 2. And the people shall take them, and bring them to their place, and the house of Israel shall possess them in the land of Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushua, for servants and handmaids, and they shall take them whose captives they were, and they shall rule over their oppressors. There you have it, bro. And the Most High is going to bless us, of course, with all of that on top of it, man. The lands, the different planets, the new bodies, to be immortal, man. Our wives in order, our all our children in order. On a whole nother level, because like I always say, man, like I always think about it, this kingdom is weak, man. Even if you have a nice life, what they call a nice life, having being wealthy, or just having as far as riches, being wealthy, having a nice car, a nice house, and a wife and children, what they call a nice life. Well, that's weak, man. That's nothing compared to what the Most High is gonna give us, man. And he ain't just going to give us a house and shit like that and keep us in these bodies. He's going to give us new bodies, planets, and mansions. Mansions full, all made of diamonds, all made of gold, with all kinds of stones, carbuncle, sardius, topaz, man, emerald, all of this, man. Fresh as water, clean water, man. Fresh food, clean food, real food. All this and much more, man. And I'm going to close out with that scripture on top of it. Here's Ezekiel chapter 38 and verse 11. And chapter 36, verse 11. I will multiply upon you man and beast, and they shall increase and bring you fruit. And I will sell you after your old estates, and will do better unto you than at your beginning, and you shall know that I am the Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahushua. So come with all that, call Allah Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahushua. Peace, blessed, salutation, for elect. Till next time, Shalom.